In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $37,950 in commission with affiliate marketing just in 90 days using TikTok. I will share with you my secrets, my methods, my strategies that helped me to make this commission just in the last 3 months. And in just last month, I made $16,972 and it's paid. This is my invoice, this is my payment. I already received this payment in my PayPal account. So this is my affiliate account dashboard and you guys can see everything here. So if you are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic from TikTok, this video is for you, and let's get started. So step number one, for people who don't know how to start affiliate marketing, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address to sign up, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this. Just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. Some commissions can be up to $150 for just one service. The best part with this business is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will make commission for the next 12 months. Okay, so for the next 12 months, each transaction, this person who used your affiliate link will buy another service, new service. You will keep making commissions, which is really good. So anyway, just click over here on join now, and you will be directly in the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can choose no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple, as you can see. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you should start promoting on TikTok to earn commission. And I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on TikTok that made me really a lot of commissions. So pay close attention. What you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to this Fiverr home page and click on the search here and search for TikTok. Okay, search for TikTok video editing. Okay, search for this service like this, TikTok video editing. And like I said, I want you to pay close attention. Please scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you will do next, you need to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the reviews of those sellers. If those sellers that you are choosing are good sellers, those people also will trust those sellers and they will buy this service from you, and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. So let's choose, for example, I will choose this one. This one is top rated seller. I will edit your TikTok videos. This one is good. I will click on his service like this. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see that this seller is close to 1,000 reviews, which is really good. One order in queue, so that's really good. So what you will do, you will copy the profile link of this seller, like I said, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account like this. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on the link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on TikTok. So what we will do next, first we will go back to this seller profile page. We will check his video. So this seller has a video explaining his service to his customers, how he will help people who are using TikTok to edit their TikTok videos to make them more engaging, more professional, more branding, to get more views. Okay, so what you will do next, double click on the video and click on save video. You need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it TikTok video. I will click on save, and what you will do next, you will go to Google and you will search for this website, search for Canva. Okay, and what you will do next, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. All you have to do is just need to use your email address to sign up, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video, okay, and search for TikTok video over here, or click over here on TikTok video, and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload, click on upload file, and upload your TikTok video that you download from Fiverr. So let me search for my video. This is my TikTok video here. Click on open, and that's it. Your video will be uploaded to your Canva account over here. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this. Let me show you. So your video will be over here. I will put this video like that. Click on background color and choose black color. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use, that you like or that you want. Just make sure to use a clear one. I'm gonna choose this one. So just click on the text style that you want to use, and they will put this text here. I will delete the second one, and I will decrease the font size of this text. Double click and write this sentence: check link in my bio. We will put our affiliate link in our TikTok bio. Okay, check link in my bio. I will make it like this, and here you go. Click on duplicate and put this one here, and that's it. Let's check now. You guys can see your video is ready. Click on share and click over here on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. After that, go and open your TikTok account. Guys, I think TikTok has 2 billion monthly visitors. Yes, you guys see the potential of TikTok. You see how many people are using TikTok monthly. It's 2 billion monthly visitors. That's really a lot of traffic. So you can get so much traffic from TikTok if you create good videos, and if you start promoting videos that can help people who are using TikTok to grow their TikTok account. You can make so much commissions using this method. Okay, and after that, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, go to your TikTok account and put your affiliate link in your bio, and that's it. It's super easy and it's clear. Don't use your TikTok personal account, of course not. Create TikTok business account and start promoting your services on TikTok as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. That's how we can make so much money with Fiverr affiliate marketing using TikTok. For people who want to put a lot of services and start promoting a lot of services, that's what I exactly do. So what you need to do is you need to create an affiliate website, and inside your affiliate website you will put all those services that you want to start promoting on TikTok inside your affiliate marketing website. Okay, and you will put your affiliate website link in your TikTok bio. Okay, So people who will check your bio, they will find all the services that you want, that you are promoting in your affiliate website. Okay, it's super easy to create an affiliate website. You guys can go to Google, search for how to create an affiliate website, and you can find bunch of videos that you can learn from. Super easy, and it's for free. If you guys want me to show you step by step how to create an affiliate website, just let me know in the comments and I will show you exactly how to do it. Thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address and I will get back to you, and see you in my next videos. My email address is in my description of this video.